Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, children, what did we do yesterday?
Geography, and we were discussing the history question answers also.
Okay. In the first class, we did geography, and in the second class, because it was history periods, sorry, it was, we discussed history, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pavni. Beta, we'll do geography.
Yes, ma'am.
I think geography chapter is still in process.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is in process.
So we'll continue with geography only. And the last period that we have, we'll do, I think history question answers were discussed.
Ma'am,
We are discussed.
Ma'am, half were. Ma'am, half were
Some are
left.
Last two are left.
Last two are left, fine. And after doing history questions, we'll carry on with the, what do you call, civics questions, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am,
Sat-
ma'am, have we done 5 chapters in geography?
No, we have not done 5 chapters, beta. We have done first chapter, fourth chapter, and then fifth. We are in process of doing that.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Devansh, yesterday I was trying your number, but I could not reach to you.
No, no.
So can you give me a call at 2 today?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Do I need to share the book with you people?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Right. Quick attendance, and we start with the class. Ten C. Right. Abhay? Today is 22nd. We don't have Abhay in the class.
22.
Aiza. Aiza.
Present, ma'am.
Akansha. Is Akansha?
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Ananya Singh. Not there. Apurva.
Present, ma'am.
Aradhya. Not there. Ashray. Not there. Daksh. Gargi.
Present, ma'am.
Gargi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Harsh Tomar. Not there. Himanshu.
Present, ma'am.
Jay Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasa.
Present, ma'am.
Jujhar. Kanika. Jujhar is not there.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Manish.
Present.
Manish Singh. Manthan Patel. Mohit Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Mohit Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Naina.
Present, ma'am.
Then Naman. Do we have Naman? No. Pavni.
Present, ma'am.
Pranjal.
Present, ma'am.
Puneet.
Present, ma'am.
Raghav, we don't have today. Samarth.
Present, ma'am.
Siddhant. Sorry, Shaurya. Shaurya is not there. Shivanshi is not there. Siddhant Yadav. Do we have Siddhant in the class? Srishti Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
Stuti Upadhyay.
Present, ma'am.
Tina.
Present, ma'am.
Ujjwal.
Present, ma'am.
Viresh.
Present, ma'am.
Anshu.
Present, ma'am.
Yash Mehta.
Present, ma'am.
And Devesh Verma, right?
Yes, ma'am. Devansh.
Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Devansh Verma. Right. Fine.
Ma'am, Raghav Raj.
Present. Raghav Raj, I have marked you present. Fine. Can you tell which page we were reading on?
Ma'am, page
we were
number
doing
60.
Page number 60.
Petroleum we have to start from?
Yes, ma'am.
We had read half, but we have to
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it was
I
done
think,
half.
fine. Petroleum was done half. Petroleum is found in fault traps. This portion was done. Last paragraph of petroleum we have to start from, right?
First paragraph we have done.
Ma'am, we have done first. We have to start from second paragraph.
It was done.
Okay, fine. So can we have Puneet reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Most of the petroleum occurrences in India are associated with anticlines and fault traps in the rock formation of the Tertiary age in regions of folding anticlines or domes.
What
It
are
occurs
anticlines?
with
Class, what are anticlines, you know?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, the depressions under the seabed.
What?
Ma'am, the depressions in the ocean, like inside the ocean.
Not exactly the depressions. They are basically the folds. They are the folds that we have in the layered rocks, sedimentary rocks that we have, the stratified rocks that we have, right?
Yes.
Right? So anticlines are basically the fold of the stratified rocks in which the stretch, the part, so it slopes down from the crust, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall carry on.
The oil-bearing layer is a porous limestone or sandstone through which oil may flow. The oil is prevented from rising or shrinking by intervening non-porous layers. Petroleum is also found in fault traps between porous and non-porous rocks. Gas being lighter usually occurs above the oil. About 63% of India's petroleum production is from Mumbai High, 18% from Gujarat, and 16% from Assam. From the map, locate the three major offshore belts of Western India. Gujarat, oldest of India, Digboy, Nahar Katya, and Moran Hooghur region are the important oil fields in the state.
ठीक है, anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
The
Ma'am,
second
what are fault traps?
हाँ, I was about to ask that only because nobody asked me, no? बेटा ये जो fault traps होते हैं, जो geological जो formations होती हैं, geological formations में जो oil या gas porous section, जो porous parts होते हैं, जहां से easily rocks के अंदर जो है liquid चला जाता है.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, जब वो seal हो जाता है because of the displacement, जब faults आते हैं because of the internal forces, जो भी ups and downs होते हैं in the tectonic plates, तो उसमें जो porous layers होती हैं, जब वो trap हो जाती हैं, that is called a fault trap.
Okay, ma'am.
जैसे porous rocks जो है उनको non porous rocks जो है वो seal कर देती हैं. So this is called a fault trap. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else? Anything else from this particular paragraph?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा ऐसा.
Ma'am, can you explain this line? The oil is prevented from rising or sinking by intervening non-porous layers.
नॉन पोरस लेयर, वही तो यही तो बताया. जैसे जो फॉल ट्रैप्स होते हैं ना, जो फॉल ट्रैप्स तो नेचुरली होते हैं, पर ये लोग इसमें क्या करते हैं कि जो ऑयल जिस लेयर में ऑयल होता है वो जो है अननेसेसरी जो है निकले ना बाहर, तो उसको जस्ट टू स्टॉप द फ्लो वो क्या करते हैं, नॉन पोरस जो आपका लेयर्स होती हैं उसको उसके अंदर इंसर्ट कर देते हैं, जिससे कि ऑयल की जो स्पिलिंग होती है या जो लीकेज होती है वो खत्म हो जाती है. एंड व्हेनेवर दे नीड ऑयल दे extract oil.
Okay, ma'am.
So, ma'am, like basically artificial fault traps, can we say?
नहीं, fault traps are natural, but artificially what we do, artificially just to stop the flow of the oil, we use non-porous layers for stopping the flow of the oil. Otherwise, fault traps are natural. They are completely natural.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलिए. Can we have Jay reading natural gas? Okay, Jay got the chance yesterday, right? Mohit Kumar.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not able to find my book. That's why I will not be able to read.
That is there that we don't know where they are, but then the thing is, when we go for the extraction of the oil, during that time when they go deep inside, there is a proper process. No, I forgot that there is see, when we extract liquid from the rocks, it is a process, it is called that process. And when we come to know that we have
fractional distillation.
I think can you repeat it again? Yes,
Fractional distillation.
it is fractional distillation. And when we come to know that a particular area has oil reserves in it, in that case, just to avoid any kind of leakage or sinking, flowing of the oil, we artificially we insert something so that there is no leakage or there is no extra flowing of the oil. It is done only when we are aware that yes, this particular area or this particular space, this particular region has oil over there. In that case, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Mohit Gangwar. So how are you managing, Mohit, without book?
No, ma'am. Today I'm not able to find it. I will find it.
Okay. Can you switch on your camera? Mohit Kumar and Mohit Gangwar both. Okay, Mohit. Or Mohit Gangwar? Okay, fine. You can switch off. Chaliye. Chalo, Devansh, do you have the book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Read Natural Gas.
Okay, ma'am. Natural gas is an important clean energy resource found in association with or without petroleum. It is used as a resource of energy in the petrochemical industry. Natural gas is considered an environment-friendly fuel because of low carbon dioxide emissions and is therefore the fuel for the present century. Large reserves of natural gas have been discovered in the
Krishna Godavari Basin.
High and allied fields are supplemented by finds in the Gulf of Cambay. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are
Also important reserve. Yes,
the
Devansh.
1,700 kilometers long Hazira
Vijayapur, Jagdishpur cross country gas
Jagdishpur cross
pipeline.
Mumbai High and basin with the fertilizer,
Power and yes, Devansh. You are not audible. Network issues, I believe. Chalo. Can we have Pranjal reading? Devansh, you are not audible, beta. Maybe there is some network issue at your place. Pranjal, पढ़ो बेटा.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Now you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
can I continue?
No. Let other boy read. No problems. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Pranjal, carry on.
Ma'am, electricity.
No. Before that, one paragraph. The 1700 kilometer long.
The 1700 kilometer long Kazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur cross-country gas pipeline links Mumbai High and Basin with the fertilizer.
It is Basayan. Pranjal, it is Basayan.
Basayan with the fertilizer. Power and the industrial complexes in western and the northern India. The artery has provided an impetus to the India's gas production. The power and the fertilizer industries are the key users of natural gas. Use of compressed natural gas (CNG) for vehicles to replace liquid fuels is gaining wide popularity in the country.
Yes. Carry on. But anything in this to be explained, class? Anything this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
Can you explain
Ma'am, what are allied fields?
The art.
Okay, one by one. Pavni asked, what are allied fields?
Yes, ma'am. Allied fields.
Allied groups, रुको एक minute. Allied fields आप ये कह सकते हो, the fields that are supported by, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, allied supported industries या supported fields जो है उसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next was
Ma'am, the artery has provided an impetus.
impetus to India's gas. Anybody can explain? Can anybody explain this line? हाँ?
Ma'am, which?
आर्टरी क्या होती है हमारी बॉडी में? आर्टरी का क्या काम होता है पता है आपको? Veins and
To carry blood.
It carries oxygenated blood to the
Exactly.
whole body.
Yes. Other parts of the body, exactly. तो ये कह रहा है कि ये जो हजीरा विजयपुर जगदीशपुर पाइपलाइन है, it is considered to be the longest in the country. So it works as a artery and provides the required energy resources to the industries. ठीक है? Here it provides an impetus to India's gas production. Impetus का मतलब क्या होता है?
Ma'am, to give a boost to something.
Yes. Yes. Right? Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Next was anything else?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I just want to confirm that natural gas is found with petroleum or they are separately found.
नहीं बेटा, नेशनल इसके पेट्रोलियम के साथ ही मिलती है ये स्ट्रेटिफाइड। आप देखो बॉम्बे हाई से हम पेट्रोल भी एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, हम नेचुरल गैस भी करते हैं। बसाइन जो है वहां पे भी सेम यही चीज है, वहां से हम पेट्रोल भी करते हैं, वहां से हम नेचुरल गैस भी एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, मिनरल ऑयल जिसको हम बोलते हैं। ठीक है, तो जहां जहां पे भी वी हैव पेट्रोल डिपॉजिट्स, वहां वहां पे वी हैव नेचुरल गैस डिपॉजिट्स एज वेल, राइट?
So ma'am, these are also filtered by fractional distillation.
ऑफ कोर्स एक्चुअली क्या होता है, देखो गैस लाइट होती है, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये चीजें, ये ऑयल जो होता है, बिकॉज ऑयल हैवी होता है तो वो नीचे रहता है, गैस ऊपर की तरफ रहती है, तो इनके एक्सट्रैक्शन प्रोसेसेस डिफरेंट होते हैं। ठीक है, बट पाया ये दोनों चीजें आपको मिलती है, जहां पे आपके ये ऑयल फील्ड्स हैं वहीं पे ये भी मिलते हैं। ठीक है, नेचुरल गैस के जो एरियाज हैं वो भी वही सेम है जो नेचुरल ऑयल के हैं, मिनरल ऑयल के हैं। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, एनीथिंग एल्स?
No, ma'am.
वो बात ठीक है कि विद और विदाउट मिलते हैं, बट द थिंग इज कि पाया ये वहीं पे जाता है जहां पे भी स्ट्रेटिफाइड लेयर्स आपको रॉक्स मिलते हैं, स्पेशली सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स का जहां कंसंट्रेशन है वहीं पे आपको ये भी मिलता है, नियर द रिवर बेड, ओशन बेड्स जो होते हैं वहीं पे मिलता है बेटा। ठीक है गार्गी? हाँ, चलो, कैन वी हैव स्तुति रीडिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी?
Yes, ma'am. Electricity has such a wide range of applications in today's world that its per capita consumption is considered as an index of development. Electricity is generated mainly in two ways: by running water, which derives hydro turbines to generate hydroelectricity, and by burning other fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas to drive turbines to produce thermal power. Once generated, the electricity is exactly the same.
Okay. Is there any difference between hydroelectricity and thermal electricity? Apurva? Apurva?
Yes, ma'am.
What is-
Hydroelectricity is run by water. And ma'am, thermal electricity is
generated by
use of fuels like
like coal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See, thermal and hydro electricity are not same. They are different because hydroelectricity is obtained by running water and thermal electricity is obtained by burning fuels like coal. What else?
Petroleum, natural gas.
Petroleum.
Yes.
Petroleum and natural gas.
Yes. Thorium as well. Chalo. ठीक है? Continue, Stuti.
Hydroelectricity is generated by fast-flowing water, which is a renewable resource. India has a number of multi-purpose projects like the Bhakra Nangal, Damodar Valley Corporation, the Kopili Hydel project, etc., producing hydroelectric power.
Carry on.
Thermal electricity is generated by using coal, petroleum, natural gas. The thermal power stations use non-renewable fossil fuels for generating electricity. There are over 310 thermal power plants in India.
Right. See, from this page, there are some questions which generally comes. One is from the natural gas paragraph. Why natural gas is considered an environmental friendly fuel? The first line of the paragraph, right hand side. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have which gas pipeline is called the artery that provides impetus to India's gas production? Then which gas for vehicles is gaining wide popularity in the country? Then what is the basic difference between hydroelectricity and thermal electricity? These are the 4-5 questions that are there, right?
Ma'am, can we explain the first line given under the electricity heading?
Electricity has such a wide range of applications in today's world. This one?
No, ma'am, its per capita consumption is considered as an index of development.
Chalo, let me ask it from you people only. Can any one of you explain this line?
May I?
Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, in this line they are saying that electricity has such a widespread use that its consumption rate is used as a measure of development of a particular country.
Yes. See, per capita consumption is considered as an index of development. अगर आप अमेरिका वगैरह की बात करो, वहां पे per capita, वहां पे डेवलपमेंट का लेवल हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि per capita इनकम उनकी बहुत ज्यादा है, they have sufficient amount of money spending on themselves, right? तो per capita मतलब क्या हुआ? Per person usage. वीरेश, per person usage जो होता है that comes under per capita, right? अब इसमें वो ये कह रहा है कि जितना ज्यादा एक इंडिविजुअल इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को यूज करता है, उतना उससे पता चलता है दैट द कंट्री इज डेवलपिंग और मूविंग टुवर्ड्स डेवलपमेंट. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
बेसिकली ये है कि भाई जितना ज्यादा हम इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस यूज करेंगे उतना ज्यादा हम अपने डेवलपमेंट को शो कर पाएंगे। इसका मतलब क्या है कि भाई एक तो डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है तभी हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, जो हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स गुड्स हैं उन पे हमारा एसेस है, और उन पे हमारा एसेस तभी है जब हमारे कंट्री में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छे क्वांटिटी में हो रहा हो, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है। हाँ, कैन वी मूव ऑन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, कैन वी हैव दक्ष रीडिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, there is a question given from the map.
Ma'am, may I start?
Page 61. Identify a thermal power station in your state and also name the fuel that is used there. हम कौन से स्टेट को बिलोंग करते हैं?
उत्तर प्रदेश।
यूपी।
उत्तर प्रदेश।
उत्तर प्रदेश में कौन सा थर्मल पावर स्टेशन है?
मैम पांकी,
हाँ,
परीचा।
हरदुआगंज।
हाँ, पांकी,
मैम पांकी एंड परीचा।
हरदुआगंज, राइट?
हरदुआगंज।
Hardhuaganj. So can you tell that what kind of fuel is used over here?
Ma'am heat.
Huh?
Ma'am, coal.
Heat.
Coal is used, yes.
Like coal or wood.
Wood तो यूज नहीं करते हैं बेटा, कोल ही यूज करा जाता है।
Ma'am, in village areas, that cow dung cakes are also used as a
Cow. Yes, ma'am.
But thermal power stations में, are you sure?
Ma'am, at lower levels,
Petroleum.
नहीं, केवल आपका कोल यूज होता है और काउडंग वगैरह यूज होते हैं, बट नॉट ऑन लार्ज स्केल, ठीक है? बहुत स्मॉल स्केल में, नैना जो आप कह रहे हो स्मॉल स्केल में यूज, स्मॉल स्केल पे यूज होते हैं, ठीक है? चलिए,
yes, ma'am.
who has to read? Daksh has to read. Daksh, carry on beta.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not audible, Daksh.
Ma'am, please tell. Ma'am, please tell ma'am from where I have to continue.
You have to continue from page 62.
Non-conventional source of energy.
No, nuclear or atomic energy.
Nuclear or atomic energy. It is obtained by altering the structure of atoms. When such an alteration is made, much energy is released in the form of heat, and this is used to generate electrical power. Uranium and thorium, which are available in Jharkhand and the Aravalli range of Rajasthan, are used for generating atomic or nuclear power. The monazite stands of Kerala is also rich in thorium.
बेटा इसको अंडरलाइन कर लो।
Locate the 6
बेटा अंडरलाइन दिस लाइन, the monazite sands of Kerala.
So rich in thorium.
Carry on. Okay,
solar energy.
Daksh, wait. We just have 5 minutes left now. So let me ask you some 1 mark questions, right? From the paragraphs that you people have read. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Name the source of thorium in Kerala.
Monazite sands.
ठीक है, very good. Name the sources of uranium and thorium in Jharkhand and Rajasthan.
Aravalli
I'm in
ranges.
the Aravalli range of Rajasthan.
ठीक है, in the Aravalli ranges. Very good. Then how many thermal power plants are there in India as per the book?
310.
310. Very
310.
good. Very good.
Over 310.
हाँ. You have to tell whether it is true or false. The thermal power stations use renewable fossil fuels for generating electricity. True or false?
False.
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 False. Fossil fuels are non-renewable. Very good. Name any two multi-purpose projects which are producing hydroelectric power.
Bhakar Nangal
Bhakra and Damodar Valley Corporation.
Very good. Bhakra Nangal, Damodar Valley Corporation. Then you can also write about Kopil Hydel project also. Next is mention the two ways by which electricity is generated.
By running water.
by water and by
Running water to drive turbines and by burning other fuels
and using
coal to drive
fossil
turbines.
fuels.
Okay, Akansha,
Yes, ma'am.
answer this question.
Ma'am, electricity can be generated by two ways. First, by fast flowing water, and secondly, by using of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas.
Very good. Very good. Next is name the gas pipeline that links Mumbai High and Basain. Srishti Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the gas pipeline that connects or links Mumbai High and Basain.
Ma'am, Hazira, Vijaypur,
Jagdishpur
cross.
country gas pipeline. ठीक है. Large reserves of natural gas have been discovered in which parts of India?
Godavari
Basin.
In the Godavari.
Krishna Godavari Basin.
Very good. Why natural gas is considered an environmental friendly fuel? Gargi?
Because of low
Carbon dioxide
emission.
Okay, can we have can we have Vibhanshu answering this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Natural gas is considered an environment-friendly fuel because of low carbon dioxide emission.
Yes. Because of low carbon dioxide emission, it is considered as an environmental friendly fuel. Which is an important clean energy resource in India found?
Natural gas.
Natural gas.
Okay, natural gas. Then name three places. Which is the oldest oil producing state of India?
Ma'am,
Assam.
Assam.
Very good. Very good. Assam is the oldest oil producing state. Then why petroleum is the next major energy source in India after coal? Why petroleum is the next major energy source in India after coal?
Thank you, ma'am.
Aiza?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer this question.
Ma'am, because it is used for producing electricity in thermal power plants.
Chalo, I'll ask this. You answer this question in the next class, okay? The class is going to end any moment.